your listening quality will as well as improve. So for improvement yourself and for improvement myself, it is very important to understand English techniques, right? So where we were talking about the beautiful blue planet so far, right? So for what we understand that due to the human intervention into the planet, right? Human intervention of the planet, what happened? Planet is destroyed day by day. We are polluting the planet. Humans are polluting planet by their activity, right? Establishing different industries, making different homes, industries, settling their self in place of forest, right? And also due to the even that educated people, those who are so called educated person, they are also unaware about this type of polluting system. For example, we all know that planting tree is very helpful for environment. Am I right? We all know that obviously that if we plant a tree, it provides oxygen and the level of oxygen will increase and carbon dioxide will decrease. But the people, in spite of knowing that planting tree is very helpful, you all do that. Do you plant tree? No. Right? It's not only about you, it's about every person. We are busy on how to destroy our planet anyhow. How to destroy the woods, the forest, right? And we are not thinking about how to repair. If we destroyed, for example, right, one tree, then it need to be repaired as a two tree and a fruit. But what we are doing, we are not focusing on that. Okay? Look, they are looking down at you. Planet Earth, I remember, as beautiful blue. So now, when I am looking to the planet now, I feel that myself, there was a time when it was beautiful blue. Now it became completely what? Destroyed. The environment is getting deteriorated day by day due to human activities, human settling. Now humans are settling in place of trees to their self. They are settling industries, so-called industries. Right? What the benefit of that type of industries that destroy our earth? Right? Settling industries means different type of production that led and that comes to the market to you. That is settled down. Also, the increasing pollution, the increasement of population. The population is increasing day by day. Am I right? Due to the population is increasing day by day, what is happening that we are clearing forest day by day. Right? Due to that day by day, this system is happening that we almost destroy our planet. Look there. There was a time when rainforest existed. Now in our white cloud, what is happened? In place of fresh water, there was an acid rain. And the water that we are getting down, that comes to the clouds into the earth, that is also polluted completely. And that comes as an acid rain. So pollution level has been increased. Pollution level has been what happened? Increased. Okay. And what in the world, right? The poets argue there, what in the world that people have done with you? Pretty planet in the round, right? Lovely and pretty planet, our earth, round shaped, right? But people have done a different type of activities and destroyed it. Okay, look here. Your plains are barren with the erosion. Now the plains is also not safe. It became completely barren. Barren means unable to provide production from the earth. When we grow something, right? When we grow in a earth or any surfaces or plain area, so we are not getting food from there because the surface of earth is also destroyed by earth. I mean, human beings have been destroyed there, polluted it. So we are not getting proper supplement from there. We are not getting proper production from there, right? The human beings are unable to survive their life properly. Okay, move on next. There were once overflowing with the grain, right? There was a time when our earth produced so much fruitful or so much foods that people are unable to people have a proper quantity for their self, for all the person, but now it is not producing food. It is not producing food, so human beings are unable to survive their life, right? As there was ancient time, and I talked about the lifespan due to the pollution level increasing, right? Our we are decreasing as a age wise. There was a time when human being used to live up to the 100 years, more than 100 years. Now the average age of human being have became 16 to 17. Am I right? And still you all are smiling. One day you all will go. Okay, nobody is permanent. You are also not permanent. Shreya, are you permanent? No, nobody is a permanent. One day everything will go. So it's our responsibility to save our environment. Am I right? But we need to focus like how to plant trees. We need to focus on planting trees. There one side is there that the third world war will happen due to the crisis of water. It is possible. Still in the many places, you see your places. In this place, city like here, we are facing the problem of water. Am I right? Now it is raining, so it's now not happening. But consider about 21 months before, there was a problem. Problem of water. Water crisis was there. Okay. So when did your clouds turn such a deadly